Installation process for KaMic Home VersaFold series folding doors. Begin by carefully unboxing and inspecting the product to ensure it is in perfect condition. If you notice any issues, please contact the KaMic Home support team immediately at support@kamichome.com. Gather the necessary tools, including a drill, screwdriver, wrench, sealant, safety helmet, and gloves. Next, organize each door panel according to the labels for proper installation order. Check all accessories, including locks, screws, handles, door panels, frames, and tracks, to confirm that nothing is missing. Precisely measure the door opening to ensure accurate placement and fit. Assemble the door frame components, securing them with corner brackets. Once assembled, place the frame within the door opening, and verify that it's properly aligned. Use the provided level to confirm the frame is entirely level. Note that the level will alert you if any adjustments are needed. Secure the frame in place with screws, ensuring it remains level throughout. With the frame in place, begin installing the door panels in the order indicated by their labels. Use hinge screws to attach the door panels to the frame, adjusting each to ensure stability and smooth operation. Complete this step by installing the handles and locks, ensuring both security and ease of use. Apply a bead of waterproof sealant along the junction of the door frame and wall for additional protection and longevity. Your KaMic Home VersaFold series folding door is now fully installed. Thank you for choosing KaMic Home.